guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. Y'all, it has been so long and I'm sorry, but I'm back. I missed you guys. I hope that you guys have had a great holiday season if you celebrate. I most certainly have had a great holiday season. The holidays are always crazy for me, so my apartment definitely needs a reset and some cleaning. So I figured I would film that today and just bring you guys along. And then later tonight, I definitely want to have like a self-care spa night because it definitely has been neglected and we can't neglect self-care. So I figured that would be super fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and change into some cleaning clothes because we've got a lot to clean, y'all. For Christmas, I got one of those cleaning brushes that's like super powered and helps you reach up into like really high places. Let me show you guys just how strong it is. Yeah, I'm actually really excited to use this. I know that sounds kind of lame, but I'm really excited to use this and I definitely think it'll help me with my cleaning days. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my shower just because I think that takes me the longest. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, y'all, I've been cleaning for like 2-3 hours. I did a little bit of cleaning off camera, but it looks a lot better in here than it did before. I'm about to get started on my self-care night, but I wanted to run to the store first to see if I could find maybe like a new face mask, some candles to put around my tub. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my jacket and we can head to the store so we can get started on this self-care night. finally time for the self-care spa night portion of this video, and I am so excited. It has been probably well over a month since I've done something like this, and it is desperately needed. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup first, and then I'll start the bath. But yeah, I'm super excited. I got my snacks like y'all saw earlier, so yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So my skincare routine that I'm gonna do tonight, since I wanna be extra, is gonna be a little bit more extensive. So I thought I would just tell you what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go in with a cold cream to remove all the makeup from my face, and then also use my makeup wipe to get rid of any extra stuff that this didn't get. I like using a cold cream sometimes because I feel like it's really good at really getting in there and breaking up all the makeup. It's really good to get all this stuff off. That bath was so nice and very much needed. I just took my makeup off before my bath, but now I'm diving into the deep skincare thing. So I'm gonna wash my face, and for Christmas, I got something that I've been wanting for a long time, and that is a facial steamer. I'm so excited to use this. I think this is gonna be perfect for the days that I wanna do a little extra pampering. I'm gonna wash my face, and we can use this and just have a great night.